They have this phrase, the trail gives you what you need, and it's so true. I grew up in western North Carolina, about an hour and a half away from the Great Smoky Mountain National Park. There was a part of my being when I graduated college, like I was 21, and I knew that I had very little nature IQ. And it bugged me that most of my life had been spent inside. I'd always heard about the Appalachian Trail, like it's so close to here, and I thought, okay, well, I can take 4 to 6 months and it's not that expensive, and I'll go out there and have this really immersive experience. But I didn't think it would change my life. I never felt as beautiful as I did when I was hiking. I didn't carry a mirror, and I didn't have billboards or magazines or commercials telling me what I should look like. So then for 5 months, my reflection was my interaction with other hikers. And if I was kind or if I was funny, if I could make someone else smile, it made me feel pretty. And then after coming over 2,000 miles and hiking through 14 states, all of a sudden, I based my self-worth a whole lot less on how I looked and a whole lot more on what I could do. I've done the whole Appalachian Trail 3 times, and it was the last time I wanted to go for the record. I never thought I would ever try to set a record when I started hiking or backpacking. I wanted a different type of adventure, and so I guess one question I had before starting a family was what my best was on the trails. And I also had this sinking suspicion that men did not have to be the overall record holder. So I was trying for the record, and I got it. My story was super unique because I was the first woman to set a record on these long trails. 46 days, 11 hours, and 20 minutes, and it was an average of 47 miles a day. The trail has changed my life off trail because it's changed my values. Like, it's really made me value simplicity. It's made me value people more. You know, even if you're hiking by yourself on the Appalachian Trail, you're part of a community. If you believe different things, or if you think different things, or if you vote different ways, or if you have different philosophies, you just treat people like people. Growing up, I always thought that nature was beautiful. But I never saw myself as a part of nature. And I never saw myself as a part of all this beauty until I hiked.